Good everyone, you're watching Video Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix the error Smart App Control blocked an app that may be unsafe in Windows 11 when you're trying to download or install any applications from the internet. Now, the quick way to fix this problem is to go ahead and turn off the Smart App Control. To do this, you will have to do a right click on the Start button and then click on Settings. Once you see Settings, you will have to click on Privacy and Security, and then on the right hand side you will have to go ahead and click on Windows Security. Under Windows Security, you will have to choose the option which says App and Browser Control. This should open the Windows Security window. On this, you will have to click on App and Browse Control in case if it is not selected, and then click on Smart App Control Settings. This will take you to the Smart App Control. On an ideal state, if the Smart App Control is turned on, you will see an option checked for on. To turn off the Smart App Control, you will have to click on Turn Off. Now you might get a prompt confirm and give you a message saying that if Smart App Control is turned off, it cannot be turned on without reinstalling Windows. To turn on the Smart App Control without reinstalling Windows, you can go ahead and try the registry fix, which I'm going to mention in the video description. Once the Smart App Control is turned off, you may go ahead and restart your computer, and with that you should not be getting an error message related to Smart App Control blocked while downloading or installing any apps from the internet. So this is how you can go ahead and fix this issue. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.